Assalamu alaikum, my wonderful viewers. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are already a subscriber, thank you for stopping by. So the pattern that we are going to draft today, I will modify it in the next video to make this top. So please stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe. So that's my starting point. The line that I'm making right now is my starting point. So from my starting point, I mark my shoulder, my back measurement. I divided it by 2, which is 7.5, and I mark it. I came down by 1 inches for my shoulder slant. I mark my neck width 3 inches and the length too is 3 inches. That's for the front. Then I will just make a dashed line to connect it together. Then I connect my shoulder slope. So now I am marking my armhole length, which is 7 inches. So from there, I mark my shoulder to nipple measurement, 9.5. Then from there, I mark my half length measurement, which is 16 for the front. So I came where I mark my armhole measurement. I mark my back measurement 7.5 also there to make a straight line. So that's my armhole. So now I am marking my chest measurement. I divide my chest by 4, then I mark it inward. So now I'm going to mark the middle of my armhole. My armhole length is 7.5. In the middle of it will be 3.5. So from there I came in by half inches. So now I'm going to connect it to my chest measurement. So I connected it like this. Then from there to the shoulder. So this is my armhole for the front. So on my half length, I mark my waist measurement. My waist measurement divided by 4, then I mark it there. So as you can see, that's my half length measurement where it stopped. So that's where I'm going to mark my waist measurement. So my waist measurement divided by 4, then I mark it and add 1 inches for that. After that, I'll connect it to my chest measurement. So now I'm going to mark my dart. So I measure my nipple to nipple measurement, divide it by 2, and I mark it. So I mark 4 inches from my nipple, from my waistline to my bust point. Then I'll connect a straight line. From that straight line, I put my tape measurement in the middle of it. I will mark half an inch. I added 1 inches for that, so I will share it, which will be half. Then for my nipple measurement, for my shoulder to nipple measurement, I came down by 1 inches. Then I will connect my darts. So as you can see, I've connected my darts. So after connecting my neckline, I'm going to cut the pattern out. So I'm not going to cut the side seam because I'm going to use this pattern to make this dress. So I'm not going to cut the side seam. And so now we are going to cut the back. There's a slight difference from the front to the back. So let's cut the back. So the wideness of the neck is 3 inches for the back and the length is just 1 inches, okay? So just 1 inches length for the back neck. So whilst drafting the back, I forget to mark my zip allowance at the back, but I will do it. I will do it as it goes. I will correct it. So after doing all this marking, that's when I realized that I forget to mark my zip allowance. So I will come in back to mark my zip allowance. Then I will make all the measurements that I did and the markings that I make. I'll make it afresh. As you can see now, I'm marking my 1 inches zip allowance. So that's what I'm doing right now. So after I finish marking my 1 inch zip allowance, now I'm going on the line. So you can see the some of the neck is inside my zip allowance. So now I'm going to start marking my neckline 3 by 1 inches again. Then I'll connect it. Please don't get confused. It's just the same thing. Just I forget to add my zip allowance. So I will just fold my zip allowance inward so that you will not make confused, so that my zip allowance won't make you confused. So I'm just folding it inward. So just let us act as if the zip allowance is still not there. So now I'm marking my chest line. Then I'll connect my arm hood again. So I'm just going to make straight line. So this line is not part, okay? Don't get confused. So I'll come down by 1 inches again. Then I'll connect my shoulder slant. So this line is not part. So now I'm marking my bust, my bust. I'm marking my measurement inside. My bust measurement is divided by 4. That's what I mark. Then I connect my armhole. So I'm going to mark my waistline divided by 4. I'm going to mark it, then I will add 1 inches for that. If you notice, you can see that the armhole of the front is different from the armhole from the back. Yeah, so don't get confused. This one is the back. The armhole for the front is deeper than the ones at the back. So now I'm marking my 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 bust point, and I'm now putting in my nipple to nipple. I'm putting in my nipple to nipple measurement, then I'll connect it together. So I'm now making the dart, okay? I'm doing all this thing just to make a dart. So I'll input half an inch for both sides because our dart was just 1 inch. Then I'll connect it to each other. So I'm just going to cut it like just the way I did to the front. Then I'll leave the side seam. I'm not going to cut the side seam. So if you want to see how I modify this pattern and make this dress, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button so that anytime I upload new videos, you get notified. And if you are new here, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's see what happened to the next video, how we are going to modify this pattern and make this nice dress. Thank you for watching. Like and share my videos. As you can see, just keep on watching and see what I'm doing. I'm now cutting the front neck. Yes, I'm cutting the front neck. Take care. Thank you for watching, by the way. If you want to say thank you to me, just give my video a thumbs up. Just give me a thumbs up. A thumbs up is good to say thank you. Like and share. Bye.